Earth is indeed full of wonders, and while we have made technological advances that enabled us to unlock more secrets and mysteries, the world can still surprise us. Some of you might find it hard to agree that people wouldn't believe certain items we have on the list today, but trust us. Despite humans being the most intelligent creatures, sometimes the freedom of choice and natural selection leads us to having some of the dumbest responses to information. From scientific discoveries that left the population baffled to stuff that seems straight out of a magical movie scene, we've got it all covered for you. Today, we bring you a list of 10 strange discoveries that will make you question the authenticity of the information. As always, don't forget to smash that like button and hit subscribe to stay in touch with us for more amazing content. Let's begin! Number 10. Microorganisms are gaining on us. As we said, we've made a huge leap in the field of science and technology, and now we have several antibiotics and vaccines to deal with a number of diseases. However, the microorganisms are evolving very fast, and the time isn't too far that our medical breakthroughs might be rendered useless. New diseases keep jumping from animals to humans. Ebola from apes, SARS from masked palm civets, hantavirus from rodents, bird flu from birds, swine flu from swine, and most recently, we have the coronavirus or COVID-19 that made its entry via a bat. Moreover, previously defeated bacteria are making a comeback as some of its strains have developed multi-drug resistance. It might not be surprising for many of us, but there are hundreds of thousands of people out there that actually believe this is fake and are only presented to us to inspire fear so that the corporations, also known as ruling elite, can have control over the population. Okay, sure. But what do you think? Let us know in the comments section below. Number 9. Things that taste good are bad for you. Sorry to break it to you, but the things that taste great are actually bad for your health. In 1948, a Framingham heart study enrolled more than 5,000 residents of Framingham, Massachusetts, to participate in a long-term study of risk factors for heart disease. So long-term that they are now enrolling the grandchildren of the original participants for the same study. The study has been able to identify that one's risk of heart disease, stroke, diabetes, certain kinds of cancer, and other health problems increase in a dose-dependent manner upon exposure to delicious food. Well, you can now say goodbye to that bucket of french fries, that delicious medium-rare steak, your delicious whipped cream desserts, all of it. Number 8. Blueberries on Mars. Not actual blueberries, but a few months after NASA's Opportunity rover landed on our favorite red planet, it discovered iron-rich spheres scattered all across the landing site and the surrounding areas. It's unclear exactly how these rocks came to be, but scientists believe that they constitute one of the earliest pieces of evidence that Mars had a very watery past. The scientists' assumptions are based on similar rock formations that form on our planet. Wherever there is a regular passage of water, it is no surprise to find abnormal rock formations, even spherical sometimes. Based on those observations in the field and chemical modeling, the scientists suggested that floods of iron-rich, gently acidic water washed over the original calcite structures. What are your thoughts on this one? Was there once life on Mars? Or are we all alone in the solar system with no other inhabitable planet? Number 7. Fireballs crashing into Chile. Several fireballs crashed into Chile in 2019 and were initially thought of as meteors. However, once the ground teams were mobilized and the wreckage sites were visited, they didn't find what they came looking for. What initially looked like meteors were later dubbed as UFOs, as nobody knew what came crashing down. While geologists from Chile's National Geology and Mining Service soon arrived to examine the 7 sites that had been scorched by falling space stuff, the news broke through the roof in the country, with several national media outlets mentioning the crashing of UFOs and social media users also reporting several of the incidents. Despite conducting a detailed analysis, the experts concluded that the fireballs weren't meteors and might have been wayward space junk, which they said is highly unlikely due to composition of the matter found at the crash sites. Do you believe aliens crashed their UFOs while illegally racing on their space highway? Let us know in the comments below. Number 6. Charama Cave Drawings. While on the subject of UFOs, let's talk about the 10,000-year-old Charama Cave Drawings. According to the Indian archaeologist who found the drawings, it is nothing short of a Hollywood movie showing aliens and UFOs. The pictures show a UFO-like thing, which basically talks about an encounter with an extraterrestrial being. Another image shows an alien fully dressed in an armor-like suit, wielding a weapon and also wearing a helmet. this doesn't end here. One more image shows the typical alien-like character with a large head and 3 fingers and 3 toes. The man who came across this finding, J.R. Bhagat, has requested the Indian government to ask NASA for help in researching more into the art that dates back to 8000 BC. Number 5. Four-legged whale. Fossils found in 2011 seem to be that of a regular dinosaur at first glance, but turned out to be a 4-legged animal that had all the characteristics of a whale. The skeleton discovered on the coast of Peru came as a full set. Scientists were able to recover the jaw, legs, some of its spine and tail, and dated the fossils as old as 42.6 million years. It's the oldest known whale found in that part of the world, and the most complete skeleton found outside of India and Pakistan. Scientists believe the creature, which resembled an otter, may have been an early form of whale that had not yet fully transitioned to living in the water. The unusual discovery holds clues about how whales spread around the planet and indicates ancient whales settled in South America before North America. But one thing is certain. Whales used to walk on the land and swam in the sea in prehistoric times before the animal's party was quickly disturbed by planetary destruction. However, the fossil record suggests that this creature wasn't a giant. At most, it would have been around 11 feet long. Number 4. The ancient computer. In 1900, found in a 2,000-year-old shipwreck was something that has been dubbed as the first computer. The Antikythera mechanism is an ancient hand-powered Greek analog computer, which has also been described as the first example of such device used to predict astronomical positions in eclipses for calendar and astrological purposes decades in advance. It could also be used to track the 4-year cycle of athletic games, which was similar to an Olympiad, the cycle of the ancient Olympic Games. Detailed imaging of the mechanism suggests that it had 37 gear wheels, enabling it to follow the movements of the moon and the sun through the zodiac, to predict eclipses, and even to model the irregular orbit of the moon, where the moon's velocity is higher in its perigee than its apogee. Most importantly, this device was also used to track the movement of Venus, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn. Seems like the old folk were tech lovers too. Now, before we get to our top 3 picks, make sure you hit the subscribe button, and also, we would love to hear any suggestions for future content from you guys. Number 3. Message in a bottle. There have been a number of incidents where people found a message in a bottle washing up ashore on the beaches, but not all were truly worth the effort of reading. From trolls sending out jokes trapped inside bottles to gibberish that nobody understands. We've seen almost all of it. However, in 1784, a treasure-hunting seaman from Japan named Chunosuke Matsuyama sent a message about himself and 43 of his shipmates who were shipwrecked on a South Pacific island. It is believed that this Japanese captain and his soldiers took refuge on this island where coconuts and crabs were their main source of nutrition. However, due to a lack of fresh water, they soon began to die of dehydration and starvation. Before his own death, Matsuyama carved a message telling the story of his group's shipwreck into thin pieces of wood from a coconut tree, which he inserted into a bottle and threw into the ocean. The message was found almost 150 years later in a bottle by a Japanese seaweed collector. The creepy part, it was the same village where Matsuyama was born. It is sort of poetic that the sailor's spirit was locked in the bottle and finally made it home to find peace. Number 2. Chi Patir mystery blocks. For the past few years, 100-year-old rubber-like blocks have been mysteriously washing up on beaches in the UK and Northern Europe. All the blocks found have one thing in common. They are made from the same rubber material and has the word Chi Patir engraved on it. After many people reportedly found the same block, the search began to solve the mystery, but all in vain. Eventually, the word Chi Patir turned out to be that of a rubber plantation in West Java, Indonesia, which operated in the late 19th and early 20th centuries. The composition was later found to not be rubber, but pulp of a plant found on the Malay Peninsula. It is still unknown and why these blocks ended up on coasts across the globe. One conclusion was that the Titanic contained these blocks in its cargo holdings, but later on, this theory was considered false. Latest findings suggest that these blocks washing up today were on board the cargo ship Miyazaki Maru, a Japanese vessel that was sunk by a German submarine during the First World War. What do you think would have caused these 100-year-old blocks to start washing up on shores now? Let us know in the comments below. Number 1. Jack the Ripper. In terms of mysteries of the criminal world and the who-did-it question that is always looming, there is nothing more mysterious than Jack the Ripper. Jack the Ripper was an unidentified serial killer active in the largely impoverished areas in and around the Whitechapel district of London in 1888. In both the criminal case files and contemporary journalistic accounts, the killer was called the Whitechapel Murderer and the Leather Apron. You might have seen countless movies on this character or read books about it. One thing will always remain common: everybody keeps guessing and nobody knows who it was. Terrorizing London in 1888, this infamous character killed 5 women and mutilated their bodies in an unusual manner, indicating that the killer had a significant knowledge of the human anatomy. It was thought that the killer was either a doctor or a well-educated rich man who traveled to the impoverished areas to find his prey. The best possible subject to ever come was a Polish barber and hairdresser named Aaron Kosminski, who was a Polish Jew who emigrated from Congress, Poland to England in the 1880s. However, nothing was proven on this bloke. The mystery still remains to this day, and the authorities have not been able to solve it. But what do you think? Do you have any information regarding the identity of this criminal? Do let us know in the comments. Let us know.